Hi everybody. So today I'm here to share with you my first project of the year, and it is also the first design team project for Aunty Vera's Scrap and Craft online store. And she is based in Australia. She carries a variety of craft products, and also she sells these monthly kits, which she sent us to to her design team. And so again, thank you, Vera, for selecting me to be a part of this great design team. There's some very talented ladies on there as well. And so anyhow, I'll get started. I began by whenever I did the unboxing, I was really looking at the papers, and it had a theme. The theme was Explore 2018, and it actually, I think everyone, you think of trips and memory keeping and on whatnot, and I had been wanting to make one traveler's notebook, and so I finally decided this is the perfect kit to do this with, because it came with a variety of papers for one. It came with embellishments. I will put a link below to that unboxing video, and that way you can see everything that I did receive. But I will share with you now just a little bit of how I made this. I followed a tutorial on YouTube from Bona. She is Live Love Scrap that's her channel on YouTube, and I'll post that tutorial down below as well. And so again, I chose the papers I wanted. They're double-sided, and they're from American Crafts, Dear Lizzie. I believe it's a Stargazer. I think that is the paper collection. Anyhow, so this is a really colorful kit, and like I said, this is double-sided. So that, here's my cover. The cover, I just added some thickers that I had, and I also, here on this closure, I added this beautiful embellishment. It is from Maya Road. It's a Ken Oliver embellishment, and here it is. I wanted them close by, so these are them here. Ken Oliver embellishments by Maya Road, and these are called the Vintage Compass Mini Arrow Charms. So this compass went very well with this for my closure. And like I say, these are, let me grab those ones. I think they're just yeah, these are American Crafts as well, the thickers, and they just have different words here, and I like the take me away. And so in the inside of my base, I used this calendar that I had received in the swap. It went well here. It's for 2018. These pockets, clear pockets, I actually was looking for some at the Target spot, and they didn't have any, so I just went looking through my stash, and I just came across this, which I don't remember where I even got it, or if someone sent it to me, is probably what happened. And then there was one sheet that had just like different little cutouts that you can do. So I thought that was really cute. And I forgot, I made these into stickers with my little Xyron machine. And then also I added like some of these little extra paper cups that I had in my stash as well. And then this is the first insert I made. I just did it out of printer paper, and I did like 16 sheets, and I just scored them in half. I didn't sew up or anything like that. because my sewing machine, I don't know if it was just too thick for it or what, but it still holds in there with the elastic. And then I just have this added butterfly, I don't know if you can see it, butterfly paper clip. I just kind of just added onto here. This paper clip here on this side is one that I made. I actually made this from these bows that came in the kit as well. They're gorgeous Centauro, the Gorgeous Girl ones. They're really cute, large ribbon bows. There are 3 different colors. They have different designs on them. I don't know if these ones, no, these are the same. So the red ones, or the fuchsia colored ones, are really pretty. So I just adhered that with E6000. Just wanted it to be sturdy. This here is my folder insert. This was from the cutout. I just used those decorative scissors to go around it. Added that paper clip there. Here's the folder, and this is laminated as well. Oh, the one thing I didn't show you that I did too, I did a divider with this paper here. And if you go over to the blog, to Aunty Vera's blog, which I'll post below, I tell you the names of these papers. So, and then the back, I just used the paper pad that came with the calendar up on front. And here's another elastic for like another insert. I mean, I'm not sure if I want to keep this or maybe I'll try and sell it. And like I say now, I love making these, and you know, I really hope that you will go take a look at Aunty Vera's kits, and you will, you know, take a look through her store. There's pretty good deals on there, and you know, I hope that you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will. I was very happy to share this with you. So, okay, I'm back. My battery died on me and I had to wait a while for it to recharge. I think I need a new battery for my camera, but I mean, I was already towards the end of my video, and so I just wanted to say, you know, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Like I say, everything's going to be down in the description box. If you have any questions regarding this or anything, you can send me an email. That's down below as well. And I just thank you for taking the time to look at my video. So I will talk to you all later. Have a good evening. Bye.